Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Nissan Pathfinder key fob. This guide will help you replace the battery quickly and easily. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool, which prevents scratches. You will also need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, readily available at most stores. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's access the mechanical key. Look for a small, often silver, release button located on the side or sometimes the back of your key fob. Press this button firmly and simultaneously pull the mechanical key straight out from the fob's housing. This key is essential for the next step, as it reveals the seam where you will begin to open the device. With the mechanical key removed, you will see a small slot or indentation. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool into this opening. Apply gentle pressure and twist the tool slightly. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work slowly around the seam to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you will see the old coin cell battery, typically a CR2032. Carefully pry it out, noting which side faces up. Insert your new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a secure click, then reinsert the mechanical key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.